If you're just here to get a few places to sign up and make money, some of my favorite platforms where you can find affiliate programs to apply and earn are Awin, ShareSale, Flex Offers, and Impact Radius. I will share the links for all of these down below if you want to go sign up. They are all networks where you can find multiple programs. Now let's start talking about how to actually make money with affiliate marketing as a beginner. If you want to start making money right now and you have a small following or you're a very beginner, then you're in the right place because you've probably heard about affiliate marketing before, but you've probably heard about it in a sleazy way or an influencer way or from someone making $50,000 a month already. So maybe you have an idea of what affiliate marketing is and you landed here just because you want to know how to make money online. So this video is my answer for that and to show that making money with affiliate marketing is not that hard and you don't have to feel bad about it or sleazy. You are providing a service of connecting your audience with services or products that they need or could use, and you get a commission on the back end, so that sale compensates you for your work and it doesn't cost the customer anything. That is one of the reasons why I actually love affiliate marketing and prefer it over some other types of income earning opportunities. So first, let's talk about what affiliate marketing actually is. It's where you promote products to your audience and then earn a commission when someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link. You basically earn money through selling other people's products. The commissions for those sales can range from 4% to 70% of the product sales price. As you can see, you can earn major amounts of money when you are earning 50% or more of a product price without having to create that product. Affiliate marketing works in the same way as many old school referral programs, and it allows people to earn money through their blog or social media platforms like YouTube by talking about things that they love. It actually works well for all parties involved because you're only paid when you make a sale, so it doesn't increase customer costs. There are affiliate programs for all types of products, and in every industry there are affiliate programs where you can earn money promoting clothing, makeup, crafts, credit cards, bank accounts, ebooks, online courses, and more. Regardless of what you plan to talk about online, there's probably an affiliate marketing program. Affiliate programs pay commissions in 3 different ways. They pay per sale, where you earn a commission only when someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link. They pay per lead, where you earn a commission if someone signs up for a free trial or creates a free account or otherwise gives the company their email address as a lead. Or you get paid per click. This style of program is where you get paid money whenever someone clicks through one of your links. By recommending products you actually love and trust, you're adding value for your audience. You're connecting them to something they need but didn't know about until you made that introduction. Personally, I only recommend products I use myself or love enough and think will add value to my audience that I would recommend them to someone I know. Affiliate marketing is amazing because you get paid for telling people why you love something. There are now guidelines from the FTC, the Federal Trade Commission, on what you can and can't do with affiliate links. You need to include disclaimers on your site and disclose that you have content that has affiliate links. The guidelines from the FTC mean that you have to disclose when you're making a commission on your site. Those guidelines mean that your disclaimer must be clear and conspicuous where it can be seen, easy to notice by anyone using your site, easy to understand and not confusing legal jargon, and free of distraction. As long as you're being upfront and sharing information about your affiliate links, then you have nothing to worry about when you're doing affiliate marketing. So let's talk about the benefits of affiliate marketing. There are so many benefits to using affiliate marketing as a way to monetize your online business, your YouTube channel, or your blog. It's a great source of income for content creators like bloggers and YouTubers, and I know from experience because I've done it with both. A few of the benefits of affiliate marketing are it's easy to get started. It's the easiest way to make money online. You find programs where you want to join directly or through an affiliate marketing marketplace like an affiliate network. Another benefit is passive income because once you've created your content containing affiliate links, you're done with the upfront work, but that piece of content can continue to earn you money every month if it gets an amount of traffic and has affiliate links that people use. Another benefit is that it's great for beginners. Affiliate marketing is amazing because it's one of those things where you can earn money before you have a huge audience. If you have a very niche audience or a small audience that is loyal, when you're new, you're able to still earn a decent amount of money with affiliate marketing, whereas you wouldn't be able to earn that amount via ads because you don't have a huge audience. So why is affiliate marketing a great way to monetize for beginners? I always recommend it because starting with affiliate marketing is the best way to earn with the best risk and reward ratio. I say this because most new YouTubers or bloggers are not getting a lot of traffic, so adding ads to their site results in very low returns. It's easy to get started, but the ads don't earn much if you don't have a lot of traffic. Creating products, on the other hand, is much harder. It requires a ton of upfront work, and you might not make any sales. It might be a huge flop because as a beginner, you don't have an audience. Enter affiliate marketing, where you don't have to create a product upfront, but you can still earn a huge commission if you make a sale of the product you're promoting. Affiliate marketing is great because as a beginner, it lets you try out new things and different things. You can try to promote different affiliate programs and different products and see what works. Maybe you promote something and no one is interested, but that's okay because it's not your product and you can move on to the next one that might fit for your audience. Once you find something that works, you can replicate that success and continue to grow your income with affiliate marketing. It's great because the things you've done in the past that continue to work can grow as you create more of those success stories. So it all just snowballs on itself. Sounds good, right? So let's talk about how to get started with affiliate marketing. It's really actually pretty easy. If you're a YouTuber, you just add affiliate links to the description box of your video and to the pinned comments on your most popular videos. If you're a blogger, you start adding affiliate links to your blog posts, especially the ones bringing in most of your traffic, where people are most likely to find them and click on them. Many people start affiliate marketing with the Amazon Associates program that allows you to link to Amazon products and earn a very small commission for anything that customer purchases on Amazon. The affiliate program at Amazon has low commissions and a 24-hour cookie length, but it's a great way to get started and earn easy money ongoing. I use the Amazon affiliate program sparingly, but still earn a couple $100s a month most months. In addition to Amazon, you can find many different affiliate programs. Niche-specific affiliate programs are the ones where you will ultimately have the most success and earn the most money because you're promoting something that is very specific to the content that you create. There are so many different affiliate programs out there, and there are single products and services in each program that you can find products on any topic, from fashion to beauty to travel, home goods, personal finance, more. Really, there is something for every specific niche. To find these programs, you'll want to use Google to search for things like pet product affiliate marketing programs or fitness affiliate marketing programs to find affiliate programs in your specific niche. When you search for affiliate programs, you'll come across both affiliate programs and affiliate networks when you're trying to find programs to use. Affiliate programs are independent affiliate marketing programs run by the company that you will be promoting. Affiliate networks, on the other hand, are sites that give you access to many different affiliate programs in one portal. Some of the more popular affiliate networks are ShareASale, Flex Offers, and AWin, where you can join and have access to thousands of affiliate programs in one place. These networks make it easy to try to get multiple programs off the ground and stay organized because everything is one spot. You should make sure that you're only joining affiliate programs that fit your audience and their needs instead of chasing every single shiny object and high-paying affiliate program out there. I have found that affiliate networks work well with my affiliate marketing strategy, and it's been one of the best strategies because it's allowed me to find more programs than I would have found on my own just searching randomly. These large affiliate networks connect you with many different companies and products that can earn you money, and they have really popular programs that are run very well. So next, I want to share some affiliate marketing tips for YouTubers, because if you're a YouTuber and you want to start using affiliate marketing, it's a little confusing. So here are some of my favorite tips. First, mention your links in the video and direct your audience to the description box or pinned comment where you will have the links. Include an affiliate disclaimer in your description box that is clear that you'll make a commission, because of course that is required by the FTC. Link to specific products instead of a general page for a shop. The less steps between a buyer and the purchase, the better. So specific links to actual products convert better than generic ones. If you have a choice to use products in the program or not, use the ones that you can promote as an affiliate. People always want to know where you got things or where things are from. Leave a link to whatever you used in the video in the description box, but also in a pinned comment. Respond to any questions where people ask where you got something and give them the affiliate link. This is a polite practice because people do want you to just share the link to things and respond to them. It also builds trust with your audience. Those are just a few of my favorite tips on how I've managed to share products that I love and actually make an income from doing it. Next, let's talk about a few generic affiliate marketing tips. no matter what platform you're on, these tips can be used to help you increase sales and promoting products with affiliate marketing. So first, explain the benefits of why someone would want to purchase or use the product that you're promoting. Explain why it will help them or be a good purchase. Share personal experiences about using the product or service. This is the best way to do affiliate marketing, is sharing your own experience about what you already use and love. Personal experience builds trust and it increases conversions. It makes people want to buy something. Show proof of success or that the product actually worked or improved your life. General and generic benefits won't sell people on buying a product, but seeing actual proof that it works will help sell. Be honest though about your reviews when talking about products you're promoting. Don't lie, don't make up stuff, don't make up this amazing transformation if it didn't happen. You can always share the good and the bad of a product and let the viewer decide if they want to purchase it. And don't be overly salesy or too overblown in pushing the product. You don't want to be that pushy, annoying person that only promotes links to earn money. It's not effective and it comes off as annoying and it turns people off you in general. Include a call to action so people know what they're going to do for the next step and actually purchase the product. Call to actions are things like grab your copy today, click here to sign up, click this link to purchase. Those are things that direct the viewer to do the next step, and people like that because they know what to do next to get what they want. If you're promoting a high-priced product, you can also give an incentive or give something extra to anyone that uses your link. These are called freebies and bonuses, so you can always throw in some bonuses for anyone that's going to purchase a high-priced product and get a good commission to you. And finally, always disclose that you have affiliate links no matter what platform you're using or what program you're promoting. Stay up to date and in compliance with FTC guidelines so that you're never in trouble. Those are just a few tips to get you started.